68 species in genus Ziziphus. Ziziphus, a thorny exploration. My name is Ferb Vu, and I've always been fascinated by the intricate world of plants. The sheer diversity of forms, functions, and adaptations never ceases to amaze me. Recently, my attention has been captured by a particular genus, Ziziphus. These spiny shrubs and small trees, belonging to the buckthorn family, Rhamnaceae, are a testament to nature's resilience and ingenuity. They thrive in diverse environments, from tropical rainforests to arid deserts, showcasing their adaptability and tenacity. What initially drew me to Ziziphus was their unique appearance. The leaves, arranged alternately on the branches, are characterized by three prominent veins originating from their base. Often, these leaves possess an aromatic quality, adding another layer of intrigue to these plants. But it's the spines that truly set Ziziphus apart. These sharp, defensive structures, arising from the leaf axils, serve as a deterrent to herbivores, protecting the plant from unwanted attention. A diverse genus. The genus Ziziphus boasts a rich diversity, encompassing around 68 species distributed across tropical and subtropical regions of Africa, Eurasia, Australia, and even South America. This wide geographical range speaks volumes about the genus's ability to adapt and thrive in various ecological niches. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Ecological importance. Ziziphus species play a crucial role in their respective ecosystems. Their fruits serve as a valuable food source for various animals, including birds, mammals, and insects. The dense foliage provides shelter and nesting sites for birds, while the flowers attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Furthermore, some Ziziphus species have nitrogen-fixing capabilities, enriching the soil and benefiting surrounding plants. Economic significance. Beyond their ecological value, Ziziphus species offer numerous economic benefits. As mentioned earlier, several species are cultivated for their edible fruits, which are consumed fresh or processed into various food products. The fruits are also a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. In addition to fruits, some species are utilized for their timber, which is used in construction and furniture making. The bark and leaves of certain Ziziphus species possess medicinal properties and are used in traditional medicine to treat various ailments. Conservation concerns. Despite their resilience, some Ziziphus species face threats due to habitat loss, overgrazing, and climate change. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the continued survival of these valuable plants. Protecting their natural habitats, promoting sustainable harvesting practices, and raising awareness about their importance are essential steps in conserving Ziziphus for future generations. Conclusion. My exploration of the genus Ziziphus has been an enriching experience. These thorny plants, often overlooked or considered a nuisance, possess a wealth of ecological, economic, and cultural significance. Their ability to thrive in diverse environments, their valuable fruits, and their role in supporting various organisms highlight their importance in the natural world. As I continue to learn more about Ziziphus, I am filled with a sense of admiration for these resilient and adaptable plants. They serve as a reminder of the intricate connections within ecosystems and the importance of preserving biodiversity.